Do you ever feel like you're drowning? Not in water, but in the noise of modern life. You're constantly bombarded with information, notifications, and demands on your time. It's exhausting, isn't it? This feeling of being overwhelmed is something many of us experience. We wake up tired and go to bed feeling like we haven't done enough. We're trapped in a cycle of busyness, but true peace feels elusive. Many mistake this exhaustion for laziness. We judge ourselves harshly for needing a break. We feel guilty for not being productive every waking moment. But what if I told you that your tiredness is not a sign of weakness? It's a sign that you're living in a world that is not designed for your well-being. Our society often glorifies busyness. We wear it like a badge of honor, equating long hours with success. But this mindset is dangerous. It pushes us to ignore our body's signals, telling us to slow down and rest. Rest is not the enemy of productivity. It is the foundation. When we allow ourselves to truly disconnect and recharge, we return to our tasks with renewed focus and energy. We become more creative, more resilient, and more present in our lives. This constant pressure to be productive is a trap. It keeps us tethered to our devices, afraid to miss out on the next notification or update. We've forgotten the simple joy of disconnecting, of being fully present in the moment, without the need to document it or share it with the world. The first step to healing is acknowledging the problem. We must stop glorifying overwork and start prioritizing our mental well-being. True success is not measured by how much we do, but by how well we live. It's time to reclaim our peace and redefine what it means to thrive in the modern world. The journey back to ourselves starts with one brave moment. It's the moment you choose to put down your phone and pick up a book. It's the moment you say no to an obligation and yes to an afternoon nap. It's the moment you choose to listen to your inner voice instead of the demands of the outside world. These small, brave moments might seem insignificant, but they are the building blocks of a more peaceful and fulfilling life. They are a declaration that your well-being matters. They are a reminder that you are worthy of rest, peace, and joy. You are not lazy, you are not weak, you are simply overwhelmed, and you are not alone. Millions of us are struggling to find peace in this noisy world, but there is hope. By making small changes, one brave moment at a time, we can reclaim our peace, rediscover our purpose, and create a life that is truly our own.